What's up, guys? Today we're doing a room tour. I've been wanting to do it for forever since my room has been changed over the many courses of time. Sorry, my new camera's tweaking. It's tweaking. It's tweaking. Okay. But yeah, I've been wanting to do it for forever because it's the last room tour video that is on this channel, at least, is very old. It was before COVID even happened. So that's how you know it's old. But I thought, why not? Let's just do a room tour. So let's start with the first part. My wall. I have a lot on my wall just in general, so I'm just gonna do all my walls so you guys can see. So first thing on my wall I want to start with is just all the stuff that I got going on over here. So as you can clearly see, I have whoever this person is. I really don't remember. I'm so sorry, y'all. Hold on, Nyla, go ahead and tell them what they are.
Evanescence.
Okay. Then we have a poster from the iconic Mac Miller Tiny Desk, which I'm a big fan of. Then we have Frank Ocean sitting over there. All right, now we're gonna go over to right over here. So over here first we have is my Disney Dreamers thing. I went to Disney Dreamers, was that 2023? Monster cans. I do not drink Monster anymore, but this is during 2020 when I wanted to try every flavor. You know, my heart, liver, and all that still suffers to this day. All these 45s here, I have not played any of these before, but these are what I have over here. Then we come over here, it's this really cool painting that I bought from a flea market. I wish I could remember the artist's name. If I do, I'll let you guys know, but this is just super cool. Then we come over here. I made this. I took a bunch of old VHS tapes and I just put them together as a little wall thing. All right, over here, I made this in 6th grade. Okay, made that in 6th grade. Over here is a painting that my grandpa made of me when we went to Washington, D.C. for, during a Black Lives Matter march. Then over here, we have my Pokemon poster. This is not my region, so, but Pokemon poster. A painting or a drawing that I got from Anime Magic. Then we migrate over here. Black Lives Matter poster that I got from when I went to the protest in Chicago. Then we have one here. These are my top 3 artists, but not my, well, I have more than these top 3, but these are like my favorite. Kendrick Lamar, Billie Eilish, Frank Ocean. And then over here we have Mac Miller, who's one of my favorites. There's me. Anyway, then we have here stuff from Halloween. I was Deadpool and my friend was Wolverine. This is me and Morgan. We were Dipper and Mabel. And then over here, this winter was Dogpool. Then we come on over to this wall. We have 2 Five Nights at Freddy's posters because why not? Sally Face, the people that know get it. Then we have this, Fate Grand Order. Have I seen it? Absolutely not. I have not. Then on this wall right here, we have a Tyler Creator poster. I got it from my Cherry Bomb CD. These are all pictures of Leve that came with my record. This is a speed run, okay, room tour. Jacob Sartorius poster, right? Love Jacob Sartorius. Then over here, we have a Owl House poster, one of my favorite cartoon shows ever. Then over here, we have some yen. This is 5,000 yen when I went to Japan. All of these are cool pictures of me and my friends. There's me again. This is my dog when he was younger. This is Minecraft posters because why the freak not? Then we migrate to over here, which are 2 Billie Eilish posters because Billie Eilish is my favorite artist. So this is from the When We All Fall Asleep, Where Did We Go era, and this is for Happier Than Ever era. Now we're gonna migrate on over here. This whole thing right here is a plant. This is a live plant. It goes all the way from over here to my record player. Over here, these are all of the stuff. A lot of these are from my Japan trip. Some of these are from like conventions and trips. This is from the Owl House. This is where I got my PlayStation 2 from, this guy right here. Then over here is my calendar. It's FNAF. Over here, I thrifted this from Goodwill. Can't tell you what it is, but it is out of this world. Henry Crown Space Center. Oh, this is a show. Didn't know that till now. I made this myself, a collage. We have Billy, the Storks, Tyler Creator, more Billy, Tyler Creator again, Little Uzi and Frank Ocean in the middle. This is Billy from Happier Than Ever, Tyler Creator, and Prince. Then, onto this wall. We're almost there. We have, these are paintings that my friend Miles made. Sanders made these. One of his biggest fans of his art, so you know I had to double it. Then we go over here, which more stuff by him. Now I'm going to show you my closet, because why not? My closet is another cool part of this. My closet's not part of the tour, but this wall, which I started, we never finished it, but I did this section, Flan did this section, Miles did this section, Chelsea did this. Was never finished, but yeah. Okay, so that's my wall. Okay, now let's get to the nitty-gritty of it. This is my bed. It's very nice, a nicer green comforter. Obviously, we have my nightstand here and a secondary nightstand there. And then right in front of me, I have my mini fridge and another thing where I burn incense here normally. Then I also have I don't put my Nintendo Switch stuff here, but that right now is packed because I'm going on a trip in like 3 days. Then I have my mini fridge with my water. Drink your alkaline water, y'all. I am on a cleanse this year. I need to be clean. I need to be clean. I want to be clean. And then right in front of me here is my dresser. I have Shadow Weaver on there, along with my theater award that I got my freshman year. My birthday was well, I guess this video is dropping whenever, so okay, well, my birthday was a few days ago because I would be dropping this video after my birthday. So these are cards for my birthday, along with a candle holder, my Nintendo Switch stuff. And then further down over here in this line, we have, so this first one's where this plant mostly stands on. That's like its main place. And then I collect coins. I usually cash it in every summer, but this time I'm saving up because I want to go to Japan again in 2026, and I want to stay for even longer than I did last time. Last time I stayed for 2 weeks. I would love to try to stay for a month. It's not an expensive flight, but I have to figure it all out. But my goal is 2026. These two blue things are just full of documents and cords. Over here is my bookshelf with my CDs. If you can ask me how many books on the shelf I read, don't ask me that question, I wouldn't give you an answer. Then further over here, as we said before, we have my mirror, and this is where I keep all my shoes and a couple hats and sunglasses. More shoes further down, and then we loop over to the little stand thing over there. I don't like Spider-Man. I don't know what would make you think I like Spider-Man. But yeah, a lot of Spider-Man stuff over there, along with some Shadow. Shadow is a new fixation of mine. I just think that he's cool because he resembles me. I resemble him. Red hair. Most of my outfits are black. I'm black. Red hair. Okay. Anyway, and then we come over to this big column right here. Now, these are where my fixations come into play. Well, the first one's just a Billie Eilish like action figure that came out like years ago, but my first ever Billie concert was the virtual one during COVID, and that's where I got that, so that's pretty cool. Then further down we have a wooden carved dog from Jamaica. I have no idea where this little rocking horse is from, no idea. Then it's shot glass from Tokyo, just from Japan. It's not from Tokyo, it's something on there I can't see right now. And then a bird necklace from the Dollhouse Museum in Japan, where I went to in Hakone. I think it was in Hakone, I could be wrong. Then you can see we have just Pokemon. I love Pokemon. Then after that we have my, these Funko Pops resemble like COVID for me. It was nothing but Hamilton, BoJack Horseman, Shuri and the Prince of Power, and Wynonna Earp. The top four. This is 8. 4. Then below there is more Pokemon. That's the binder where my Pokemon cards are in. And then after that, we have my other fixation, FNAF. I love FNAF, but that's not even a fixation. I've just been a big fan of FNAF since it first came out. Then we have my Oculus. And then we go all the way over here. This is, I made my custom Funko Pop. It's like me and my other dog, and then me with the camera, all stuff. Books, we have the art of BoJack Horseman, just the Billie Eilish photo book, and the art of The Last of Us Part 2. I want the art of the part of Last of Us Part 1. I want that, but we gotta start small. I never finished the game though, so gotta make sure I take care of that. Then with the rest of that, we have a bunch of records. I love records. I love records so much. Yeah, I wish I had more time. Like I don't have time anymore to listen to them because for some reason my senior year is really busy. But you know, then we come over to, well, down here is more records actually. This right here is where I keep all my lanyards, and then we're gonna transition all the way back over there. That is Shark. I got him from Chinatown. I was down there for the Chinatown Festival with Morgan and Chelsea, and they had they had turtles, and I was like, guys, I really want a turtle, so I got him. Also, I didn't name him. I was thinking about naming him like something crazy, like, I don't know, like something like a crazy name, like Bartholomew or something like that. But then these two, listen, them being gay have nothing to do with anything. But to be specific, they were 2 gay men. There were these 2 gay white men with the smallest shorts ever, and they were like, you should name him Shark. And ever since then, I named him Shark. So now his name's Shark. He's super cute, and he's lived for a long time. He's a something red-eared aquatic turtle. I think he might just be a red-eared aquatic turtle. There's something in front of that, but if not, then it's probably just that. Anyway, I also have all this other stuff, which is my little coffee table with a book that I'm currently reading, the iconic Vanity Fair magazine of Billy. 4 comics, well, there's actually another one under there, but we have the Flash, Archie's comic, and 2 My Little Pony ones. One was the Transformer one. And yeah. And I think that's really it. There's not much left to talk about. Yeah, so that's my room tour. Yeah. I'm done. I always wanted a brother. I always wanted a brother just like you. If you put my hands on my brother, I'm running from another. I always wanted a brother just like